everyone. Today we're gonna draw Rudolph wearing a Santa hat. So first, up the top corner, do a ball, like a circle, like that, circle. And then do a curve, like that. And then do another curve like that, and then do it going around lightly like that. That's his hat. So now make a straight line like that. Straight line. Just another straight line like that. And make it down a little. Down a little. And then go back in and imagine a line going through, and don't go through it yet. So go through this place and go down the same thing as the side. Okay, like that. And then now let's make the full hat connect. Okay, like this, go here this way. Like that. Now this way, you put this like that. So it looks like more real, it's hanging down. Okay. When you're done that, do the ears like this. A curve. Like that. Do another curve. And do a curve inside. Don't connect it, okay? Now this time we're gonna do a straight line there, do a straight line there, like that. Okay, make it bigger, like that. Okay, now make it straight. Make it straight like that. Now you make a big curve like that, and another big curve like that, and then you connect it here. Connect the other one like that. Kind of looks like a monkey. It doesn't look. So now let's do two curves. That. And then let's do the red nose. And then make the shiny thing inside, 2 dots. And then make it smile. Make it smile. Okay, when you're done that, make a curve, that. And then make a curve like this on the other side, like that. And then you do a line there and do a line there. See the steps. Okay, now let's do a curve like that. And make it up, go up, this side too, curve. Yeah, like that. And then we do a straight line like that. Okay, now do it this. And then do another curve. And then do another curve. And bring it back to here. And then do the other side, this thing, the same thing, like straight down and this way and up, down, and then go curve and back there. Okay, now let's do a scarf for him, scarf. Okay. First, you make a big side like that. Big side like that. Okay. And then what you want to do is connect it like that. And then you make a curve like this. Another curve like that. This scarf. This scarf. This scarf. Like that. Then connect and make some lines. Okay. And then do this side. Make a line. Make a line. Connect. Make some lines here. Okay. When you're done that, do the hands. Hands are very skinny. Do 2 curves like that. Do 2 curves. And then make one coming out like that. So it looks like his arms. And then make his fluffs. Make another fluff. And then make some mittens of him. Like that. He's a little bit fat. And then make 2 lines coming down. And then go all the way down here. Don't connect, because we're doing his legs. Okay, first you curve like this. Do another like that. Do the same step on the other side, because the legs are always the same. And then do a rainbow like that. Rainbow. Okay, now let's do straight line down. And then do a circle. Then circle like that on the other side. And then make 2 lines. And then a boot. Okay, we're done. Now let's trace it with black marker. Black marker. Okay, first start with the head, you know. Trace it carefully. And then the hat. Use a skinny marker because I'm using a skinny marker, so it's good to trace it. Now the scarf. Line, 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 line. Then do the hands. Do the body. Use a red. Red, you see red? It's like a normal red. And then color it. Now we do is the hat. The Santa hat. Now let's use a peachy color. Now, use the red again. Make some dark marks here. Dark marks on the other side. Make the shoes dark here. Shoes dark here too. Very dark. And then color in lightly. Okay, now let's do the scarf. First, we do the bottom very dark. Then do the bottom here very dark. And this way very dark too. And make light here. Make the light part here. Use a kind of light, very light brown. You will see what color it is, okay? And the last thing I forgot to add is the round back. I forgot that. You can draw it. Just that I forgot. Okay. Now let's color in it very lightly. You see that color? That color is the color you need. That color is what you need, the color. That's light brown. Now let's color up here that color too. Okay, it's gonna be super good. Okay, when you're done that, you do a light brown on inside the ears. Like that. Okay, when you're done that, you need a very dark brown, which is this one. This one's very dark. And we're gonna color the very dark one here. Color another very dark, very dark, and go down like that. And then you can do very dark on here. And very dark on here too. And when that's done, you can do very dark here too. That's gonna be good. You have to press very hard and as dark as you could. Now you color the other side. Do inside of here and ears. Okay, with maybe this color is the best. You can't wait what the color is looking like. But you need the other brown too. Make the dark place, but a little bit light. There's difference. Okay. Now color inside here. Looks so good. Okay, now do here the body, all this color. When you're done that, you have completed your Rudolph. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, subscribe to my channel and watch other videos that I make. Bye!